If you're planning to update your kitchen, it's important to understand the difference between a kitchen remodel and a kitchen renovation. This video will explore the differences between the two options and provide examples of what each typically includes. We'll also highlight the benefits of both a remodel and a renovation to help you decide which is the best fit for your needs. Let's begin with kitchen remodels. A remodel usually involves making significant changes to the layout or structure of your kitchen to improve its functionality, appearance, and value. This could mean knocking down walls, installing new cabinets, upgrading appliances, changing the flooring, or reconfiguring the space to create a more open layout. One example of a kitchen remodel is creating an open-concept kitchen by knocking down walls that separate the kitchen from other living spaces. This can create more space for cooking and entertaining, and make the home feel more modern and spacious. Another example of a kitchen remodel is upgrading your appliances to more energy-efficient models. Not only can this improve the functionality of your kitchen, but it can also save you money on your energy bills. Now let's talk about kitchen renovations. A renovation typically involves updating the existing kitchen without making any major structural changes. This could involve painting the walls, changing the lighting, updating the fixtures, or adding new decor to freshen up the space. One example of a kitchen renovation is updating the cabinets and countertops. This can be a great way to modernize the kitchen's look without the expense and hassle of a full remodel. Another example of a kitchen renovation is replacing the lighting fixtures to improve the ambience of the space. New lighting can create a brighter, more inviting atmosphere and make it easier to prepare meals and entertain guests. So what are the benefits of a kitchen remodel? One major benefit is that it can increase the value of your home. By making significant changes to your kitchen, you can make your home more attractive to potential buyers, which can translate into a higher selling price. Another benefit of a kitchen remodel is that it can improve your quality of life. A more functional, updated kitchen can make cooking and entertaining easier and more enjoyable, which can enhance your overall daily experience. On the other hand, what are the benefits of a kitchen renovation? One benefit is that it can be a more affordable option for homeowners who want to update their kitchen without making major structural changes. This can be especially appealing if you're on a tight budget or if you're happy with your kitchen's layout and functionality, but just want to freshen up its appearance. Another benefit of a kitchen renovation is that it can be completed more quickly than a remodel, which can be important if you're looking to make a quick update before hosting guests or selling your home. No matter which option you choose, upgrading your kitchen can have many benefits. If you're considering a remodel or renovation, it's important to weigh the costs and benefits of each option and determine which one is the best fit for your needs and budget. If you'd like to learn more about kitchen remodeling or renovation, we encourage you to contact Anthem for more information. Our team of experts can provide you with personalized guidance and help you make the most of your kitchen update.